How to build a muscle. Come on, have you not been paying attention? Gaining muscle ain't instant, ya know. I know everyone and their dog wants those sick gains overnight, but that ain't how it works. To gain about half a kilo to a full kilo of muscle per month is pretty standard. Which means it'll take you damn near a year to gain 10 to 15 kilos of muscle if you're natural. Protein, rest, consistency. That's the bloody formula. You need to be eating more protein than a sumo wrestler on steroids, getting 7 to 9 hours of KIP per night, and hitting the gym 4 to 5 times a week. And by hitting the gym I don't mean dicking around on the cable machines for an hour, I mean proper lifting weights that make your muscles burn. Compound lifts like squats, deads, bench, rows, OHP. Do them heavy, do them intense, push yourself but don't overdo it. Muscle gain is a marathon, not a sprint. Alright, let me give you the lowdown on muscle gain in more detail. Protein. Aim for 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day from sources like chicken, fish, lean meat, eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, etc. Protein provides the amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. Calories. You need to be in a small calorie surplus, around 250 to 500 calories per day. Can't gain muscle without the fuel. Focus on lean proteins, complex carbs and healthy fats. Rest. Muscle growth occurs when you rest, not when you're working out. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and take 1 to 2 days off from exercise each week. Lack of rest stunts gains. Weight training, squats, deads, bench, rows, OHP. Lift the heaviest weights you can with good form. Do 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps of each exercise, 3 to 4 times a week. Increase weight over time as your muscles adapt. Volume. Train each muscle group, legs, back, chest, shoulders, arms, 2 to 4 times per week using different exercises. More volume equals more stimulation for gains. Hypertrophy. Use higher reps, around 8 to 12 reps, and drop sets, supersets for muscle fiber stimulation and tearing. This triggers the growth hormone response and new muscle cell formation. Intensity. Use heavier weights and lower reps, around 6 to 8 reps, to maximize force production, which also aids gains. Progressive overload is key. Keep increasing weight, volume or frequency over time. Cardio. Keep cardio to 1 to 2 times a week at moderate intensity. Too much cardio inhibits gains as it reduces muscle protein synthesis. Supplements. Whey protein, creatine, pre-workout can help boost gains but should not replace the fundamentals. Diet and exercise are still king. Progress. Track your weights, reps, sets to see consistent improvements over weeks and months. Take progress photos, measure muscle groups and see strength increase. If nothing improves, make adjustments to your form, volume, rest, nutrition or supplements. Keep training hard, pushing yourself and stay consistent. Muscle gain will happen, just remember it's a slow process. But keep at it and before you know it, you'll have built some wicked muscle. Any other questions, bro? Just ask.